Super Easy Keto, Mind Body Slim Reviews. Super Easy Keto is here. Our new keto program was created to show people how easy and amazing the keto diet can be in helping you lose weight, have amazing energy, and ultimately helping you reach your goal of optimal health in just a few easy steps. Super Easy Keto shows how the keto diet, which is high in fat, low in carbs and moderate in protein, can help you lose belly fat fast and maintain that loss in a very easy way without issues as long as you follow the instructions outlined in the book. Apart from weight loss, you could also experience mental clarity, enhanced immunity and increased longevity. These are just a few of the benefits you'll experience on the Super Easy Keto diet. Delicious recipes, most using only a few easily obtainable ingredients that you can prepare in minutes, anytime, anywhere. The ketogenic diet has the ability to repair dysfunctional metabolic pathways in disease, ultimately leading to restoration and healing. Through Super Easy Keto, you will learn how to increase your intake of specific foods that can change your life. It can help boost your immune system, enhance your gut health, increase your energy and ultimately help you reach your goal of optimal health. Increased mental clarity, enhanced immune system as well as increased longevity are just a few of the many benefits of the keto diet. My book Keto Smoothies is another great keto resource. You'll find out that Super Easy Keto is the ultra healthiest and easiest way you can maximize the most nutritious food components on the planet to help you lose weight, have amazing energy and optimal health. Delicious super easy recipes with highly nutritious ingredients, including a 14-day meal plan with net carbs under 20 grams per day, will be sure to put you on an amazing path of wellness and optimal health. Try Enhanced Keto. It's a powerful keto formula that can help you lose a significant amount of weight. With amazing energy and renewed vitality, it will be sure to help you on your journey of wellness and optimal health. Read more Super Easy Keto reviews, please click link in description below.